Welcome, my dear students. Now, today we will discuss about acceleration. We have been already discussed distance and displacement, speed and velocity. Now, today we will discuss about acceleration. What do you mean by an acceleration? If there is any change in velocity, whether it is increasing or decreasing, the velocity may be increased or may be decreased. That change with respect to time is being termed as acceleration. I mean to say that the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Acceleration is time rate of change in velocity. Suppose an object is moving or at rest, may have some initial velocity which is denoted by u. Suppose certain force is applied, its velocity increases in a time interval t from u to v. Therefore, acceleration, which is denoted by a small a is equal to change in velocity, that means v minus u divided by t. Therefore, acceleration a is symbolized as or written as v minus u by t, where u is equal to initial velocity, v is equal to final velocity, t is equal to time interval on which its velocity changes from u to v. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. It is a vector. Uniform. Now we will discuss about uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. A body has a uniform acceleration if its travel in a straight line and its velocity increase by equal amount in equal interval of time, then acceleration is said to be uniform. In other words, a body has a uniform acceleration if its velocity changes is at uniform rate. If the rate of change of velocity is uniform, then it is said to be uniform acceleration. For example, the motion of freely falling body is an example of uniformly accelerated motion. If an object is falling under the influence of gravity, its velocity increases uniformly. Now, the non-uniform acceleration. A body has non-uniform acceleration if its velocity increases by unequal amount in equal interval of time. Or another word, a body has a non-uniform acceleration if its velocity changes at a non-uniform rate. If the rate of change of velocity is non-uniform, then its acceleration is said to be non-uniform acceleration. For example, a bike driven by a man, sometimes it's accelerate, sometimes it's apply brake, its velocity decreases with respect to time. So the motion of the bike is said to be non-uniform in that case. Acceleration is of two kinds. If the rate of change of velocity, that means a is positive, it is accelerated, the velocity is increasing, the value of a is positive, that means velocity is increasing with respect to time, velocity is increasing. And if the value of acceleration is negative, It's indicate the velocity of the object is decreasing with respect to time. In that case, acceleration will be negative and it is called retardation or deceleration. Now I will discuss it with some small problems based on numericals. One case is also, we have been already discussed the average velocity or average speed in our previous class. The total distance by total time or total displacement by total time are being termed as average speed or average velocity. If the acceleration is uniform, another formula of average velocity, if the acceleration is uniform, in that case average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. This formula of average velocity is applicable in case of uniform acceleration. Okay, now I will discuss it with some problem. ये साला रिक्शा वाला रूम